further previous year questions as well as their answers. Okay, let us move for the further slide. Continuous addition of sugar in fed batch fermentation is done to: A is purify the enzyme, B is degrade sewage, C is produces the methane, and the D is obtain the antibiotics. Here the answer is obtain the antibiotics. Answer is D. So how will you define this fed batch fermentation? So as you know the definition of the fermentation, how does the production of alcohol or ethanol take place with the help of grapes as well as microorganism. So we discussed before, right? So in this fed batch fermentation, it is a biotechnological process where they are going to add the enzymes as well as the substrate and then the microorganism which are going to produce these things, enzymes, okay, and one by one from the starting to the end. So okay, no, without the disturbance of this, so they are going to complete this process. Okay, one by one the addition of these things are called as fed batch fermentation. Okay, I hope you are understood this. So during this fermentation, sugar also has been added, and that the answer is to obtain the antibiotics. Okay, next question is, which is wrongly matched? Yeast, statin, Acetobacter aceti, acetic acid, Aspergillus niger, citric acid, Clostridium butylicum, lactic acid. Answer is D, Clostridium butylicum, lactic acid. Instead of lactic acid, it should be butyric acid. Next question, which is a fungicide? DDT, Bordeaux mixture, 2,4-D, and then DCMU. The answer is B, Bordeaux mixture. It is a fungicide. Others like DDT, the full form is dichloro diphenyl trichlorate. It is an insecticide. Okay, 2,4-D. 2,4-D means 2,4-dichlorophenolic acid. It is a pesticide. DCMU, it is a herbicide. The full form is dichlorophenyl dimethane urea. Okay, so all these the fungicide is B, Bordeaux mixture. Next question, which one is not a biofertilizer? Nostoc, mycorrhiza, Agrobacterium, Rhizobium. Answer is C, Agrobacterium. Next is, which is incorrect about fermentation? Toddy is prepared by fermentation of palm sap. Propionibacterium is used in a fermentation of cheese. Puff appearance of duff is due to the production of carbon dioxide. D is fermentation in mussels produces the alcohol. What is the incorrect statement, which is a not proper statement here? The answer is last one. It is the D, fermentation in mussels produces alcohol. So the produces, actually it is lactic acid. They have given here alcohol. Other three are correct. Since we know the process which is involved there, okay, glycolysis step, right? Glycolysis, breaking down of the glucose in 6 stages, where pyruvate is converted into a lactic acid. Due to this, what happened? A muscle, a human body, a muscle will feel very tired and sore, since the conservation of energy due to those, okay, where you can see the conversion of lactic acid take place. So the answer is D. It is not a correct statement. Next question, which one is correct? Activated sludge is digested by anaerobic bacteria to produce a marsh gas. Aspergillus niger produces cyclosporin A. Fleming, Chain and Flore was awarded by Nobel Prize for penicillin. BOD is amount of oxygen produced by the bacteria during decomposition. So the correct answer is C. The scientists, those who got the Nobel Prize for the medicine which is called antibiotic, is called as a penicillin. from the fungus. So other three are wrong. See, activated sludge has been digested by aerobic bacteria. Okay, and then the B is Aspergillus niger produces citric acid, not a cyclosporin A. BOD is amount of oxygen oxidized by bacteria during the decomposition. Okay, so the correct answer is C. Which one is an example for biocontrol of pest and pathogen using microbes? Trichoderma against certain plant pathogen. Bt cotton increases the cotton yield. Ladybird beetle against the aphids in mustard. Nucleopolyhedrovirus NPV against white rust of brassica. Correct example for biocontrol agent of pest and pathogen is trichoderma against pathogen. Next is in gobar gas, the maximum amount is that propane, methane, butane, carbon dioxide. Usually it is in gobar gas, it is methane. Answer is B. Next is domestic sewage of large cities contain has a very high amount of suspended solid and dissolved salt. When treated in a sewage treatment plant does not require aeration. Has high BOD as it contains both aerobic and anaerobic bacteria. Is processed by aerobic and then anaerobic bacteria in a secondary treatment in sewage treatment plant. That is, in a large city, the sewage contain when they are going to take up for the treatment. So it has been goes by physical and biological process. First primary and secondary treatment. So the answer is D. Next, the lactic acid bacteria grow in a milk and converted into curd, increasing its nutritional value by increasing vitamin A, vitamin B6, vitamin B12, both A and C. So here conversion of milk into the curd, lactic acid bacteria which is responsible for production of vitamin B12. Answer is C. Read the statement A to D. How many of them are wrong? First one, Clostridium is recommended for newborn as it is rich in antigen. B. Chikungunya is caused by gram-negative bacteria. Next, tissue culture is useful in obtaining the virus-free plants. Last one, beer is obtained by distillation of fermented grape juice. So now you have to find out how many of them are wrong answers. Okay, first one, Clostridium is recommended for antigens they have given. So Clostridium is recommended for rich in antibodies. That means the first the sentence is wrong. The colostrum. Okay, colostrum is mainly used when it is going to produce us means once the baby born. Okay, the first initial milk produces from the mammary glands of the mother where she is going to feed for a child, and the first milk is called colostrum, which is called colostrum we say, and that is rich in antibodies, not antigen. The sentence is wrong. Okay, first one. Next, chikungunya is produced by gram-negative bacteria. No, chikungunya is produced from the virus. Okay, then tissue culture. Okay, that sentence is wrong. Next sentence. Tissue culture is useful for obtaining the virus-free plant. Yes, the tissue culture technique is nothing but culturing of the plant in a laboratory where you can see any of the plant material has been taken, and that is called as explant we say. This is to obtain virus-free plant. The sentence is correct. Next, beer is obtained by distillation of fermented grape by juice. So beer is from barley, not fermented by using the grape juice. That means how many are wrong here? 3 statements are wrong. The answer is B. Next question. A good producer of citric acid is Aspergillus. Answer is C. See, Clostridium Saccharomyces pseudomonas is the other part where citric acid is going to a good producer of Aspergillus is a good producer of citric acid. Next, during the sewage treatment, biogases are produced which include hydrogen sulfide, methane, sulfur dioxide, hydrogen sulfide, nitrogen and methane, methane, hydrogen sulfide and carbon dioxide, methane, oxygen and hydrogen sulfide. The biogas production is methane, hydrogen sulfide and then carbon dioxide. Okay, these things contained. Next, what gases are produced in anaerobic sludge digester? Hydrogen sulfide and carbon dioxide, methane and carbon dioxide only, methane, hydrogen sulfide and carbon dioxide, methane, hydrogen sulfide and oxygen. Answer is methane, hydrogen sulfide and carbon dioxide. Answer is C. Which one of the antibiotic is not produced by one of the Monera, Streptomyces? A. Erythromycin, B. Penicillin, Streptomycin and tetramycin. So here answer is B. It is the penicillin. Since Monera Streptomyces, it is not going to produce is B, because penicillin is produced from the fungus. Okay, thank you.